Short update from Finnish Forest. I also made a longer video where I talk about my usual drug shit and complain everything that's wrong with my life and be a little bitch as I usually am. But this video is to appreciate the fucking beauty of this all. I'm in the city basically. There's just a few kilometers to the city center and there's nature like this everywhere. Oh god, I love this country. Let's see what we can do. You can't walk here when it's ski season. And on ski season there's also no dogs. Now I can't decide which way to go, but I choose this one. Those white little flowers are so beautiful, they cover the whole forest. I don't know why. It's probably honestly this forest, but I'm so fucking happy. I know it's not like real, I don't have any reason to be happy. Everything's still the same. But I just enjoy the small moments like this. And how could you not be happy here? Hyvää äitienpäivää. Happy Mother's Day to everyone except my mother. Sadly. Well, I guess happy Mother's Day to her as well, but yeah, let's not go into that. Only thing that's a minor problem is that I'm lost. I have no fucking clue where I am. I hope I'm close to Harittu, otherwise I'm screwed. Well, I have a power bank and Google Maps, so I'll survive. Because Google Maps knows these forests just as well. Oh. I wanna show what's this bridge. This is adventure for all of us. I have no fucking idea where's this. Oh god damn, am I really in Harittu? Sí. Estoy Harittu. Okay, this is a good time to stop. This is the place to not to be if you wanna be sober. So I just walk home and continue enjoying the rest of the night. Love ya.